Good morning, YouTube. So today we're actually going to a natural waterfall bath thing. It looks super cool. Again, we saw it on Insta, so we're going to try it out. And then we're going to go to the gym, and we are going to the markets later, I believe. So it's going to be a busy day. But this place is like an hour away, so we got to leave now. Don't even have a watch. I lost my shoe, so this is how this morning's going. But it's like over an hour away. The rule said to get there around about like 8, so we're moving. We've been up since like 6-ish, and stupidly went to bed at 4, so we will see how successful this ride is. So there at that desk, I don't think you have to, but you're supposed to make a donation, because I read that they like keep all of this in check. They clean the rocks and like maintain everything, like the locals. So if you don't make a donation, don't come, to be honest with you. And if you're only going to make like a 5p donation, still don't come. It's just rude. We just got here and it's absolutely incredible, to be honest. There's a bit of like 5-minute hike, but there's only like 2.5, 3 pools ish. We made it in, and these are super cool. Like, you make the donation at the bottom, walk like 5 minutes up. The only thing is there's like 2.5, like 3 pools, and like this is the main one that people are waiting for, hence why I keep looking up there, because we're trying to wrap it up, because you're just hella rude if you just take ages. Like, it's literally like a cold plunge. I don't think anyone is staying in any longer than like 10 minutes, but it's just being like courteous of other people. But it's incredible. I could literally sit here until my face goes purple, because this view is so worth the 1.5-hour scooter and like 5-minute walk up. And yeah, you definitely need to try this place. It's so nice. Also, if you're going to this bottom pool, that in there is a massive hole, like a hole. I stepped and went through it. It's a hole, so be careful where you're stepping. For a picture.
Fucking nerd.
Waterfall number 2. We saw this on the map, and it's like 30 minutes from where we was like diverting off. It's Tukad. Said that very confidently. It's definitely wrong, but the sign, in case I am wrong, this is where to go. We're yet to see it, so I don't want to give a review. That was crap. I hate that. When you're coming up, they give you like a little ticket to exchange at the counter, but there's like loads of donation boxes when you first get here, so remember you actually need to pay, so do not put all your money or the money in the donation box, because you get to a ticket counter and it's cash only, so it's 30,000 each.
I recorded that. No.
Waterfall. Thanks for coming. Relax. Did you run it back? Don't you dare.
I'm kidding. We're at waterfall number 2. You're having a great day, aren't you, waterfall? That could be a thumbnail. Like, do that, and then with the waterfall.
The next day we're at Atlas Super Club because it is fight night in Canggu, so we got tickets to come here to watch some fights. Yesterday was wicked at the like pools, but we didn't vlog much after because my cameraman apprentice was literally falling asleep on the back of the bike, so it was just lights out after yesterday. So it's going to be a good evening, so come with us. Canggu fight night done. We watched like, I think it might have finished, oh there was 1 or 2 fights left. We watched like 11. The first like 6 cards were Muay Thai, and then like I think the back 6, 7, 8 were MMA. It was good, and I'd recommend going. The tickets weren't expensive. I think they were like 15, 20 pound English each. But the fights were good-ish. Some weren't that good, but I mean I'm not a fighter, so I literally cannot comment on them. So I don't want to be one of them guys that say a fight shit, but you don't even fight and have a separate ring. So I don't have a leg to stand on. So we're gonna go home, make food. We got some cookies from the nicest cookie shop ever. It's 11:44. Let's wrap the day up.
Yeah, that's it. Anyway, we're hungry, but we got cookies at home, and there was a few rule breakings in the fight. We didn't have cash for the parking, but we did have cash. We're a little bit hungry. Car's gonna make food. I'm on 2% battery. So it's been a great night.
We've got the Osmo back. It actually got taken from us. I know I already spoke, but it got taken from us because it has a camera, but you're allowed a phone, which doesn't make any sense. And then we parked in their little car park thing, and they were going to make me get off and walk and go get cash from an ATM for 10,000, which is 5p. But luckily I found some cash in my bag because we haven't had cash for a little while because you just go through it like anything here, so I just needed to get some out. But we're gonna go home, make food. But did you have fun?
What?
Did you have fun?
Loved it actually. It was very scary.
Okay, we're going. Okay, so we're trying out Mama's cookies in Bali, and we got the triple chocolate, raspberry toffee chocolate, I think, normal chocolate chip, and Nutella, but they smell incredible. We'll see if they beat Dang's cookie. Not very exciting. Good. We'll cut the review here. Both still horrible, so Dang's cookies is better.